Hello and welcome to Harbour Woodcraft. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we're going to be making this. So basically how I make these is I spray paint the front black, then I mask it up with Aura mask. I think it's 813. I could be incorrect, but anyways, Aura mask, you'll see it on Amazon. And I put it on the machine, carve it out, and then cut it out. And then I spray paint everything that's carved out, remove the Aura mask, and then I paint the sides, back, and then I clear coat the whole thing. Let's take a look. Well, that's how I make these signs. Basically paint it, add your Aura mask, carve it out, paint your carvings, remove your Aura mask, spray paint, and then clear. So yeah, thanks for watching my very first video on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and even share this page with your friends. Thanks guys.